Hi friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you how to make the very best homemade veggie egg fried rice at home in little time. Now to see how I prepare this recipe, stay tuned. As always, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. A combination of fresh veggies, of course, can be of choice. Next, in a heated pot, you want to go ahead with a bit of oil and also chop garlic and just cook them for a few seconds. After a few seconds, you want to go right ahead and add your chopped veggies and also cook them for a minute or two. So friends, for our latest content, be sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook, and be sure to like. So friends, here we are after 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add a total of 6 eggs whisked together and cook them for a few minutes. So friends, once fully cooked, I'll remove and set aside. So here we are friends, after 3 minutes, my egg and my fresh veggies fully cooked. Next, in a heated wok, a bit of oil. And also chopped garlic. After a few seconds, I'm gonna go right ahead and add my rice and also my spices. So friends, for your easy convenience, I will go right ahead and leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below so you can always check it out. So friends, when it comes to making fried rice, it's always best to use the rice from the day before. So friends, next I'm going to go right ahead and add a bit of butter and also 5 spices, which will entice your taste and flavor. Next I'm going to go right ahead and add a pinch of soy sauce and also sweet soy sauce. So friends, here we are after a few minutes of stir fry. Next, I'm going to go right ahead and add my cooked egg and veggie and give it a good mix. So friends, here we are. Looks amazing. I hope you give this recipe a try, and also feel free to leave me any question you may have below. Next, to finish it off, I'm just going to go right ahead and add a pinch of sugar and also a bit of sazon complete seasoning. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, delicious veggie egg fried rice with a combination of vegetables